Yo, what's up, guys? Anon Plays Drag here. Today it's a little random video. I guess it's like not a life hack. I guess it'd be considered a life hack if you want to be cool. But today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your bicycle sound like a dirt bike. So, first off, I just wanted to say, this is a new bottle that I just found in the recycling bin. That's mine because, you know, I'm the only one who drinks water bottles. Everyone else uses cups. You guys don't even know that. It's personal information. But anyways, so I got my bicycle, right? It's not the best. It's not bad. So my friend from Philadelphia, he came over and was like, "Yo, do you know how to make your bicycle sound like a dirt bike?" I'm like, "What? No." He's like, "Oh, well, in Philadelphia, everyone wants you to do it." So I got this idea from him, kind of. So, I'm going to teach you how to do that first. So, cut, start. Okay, so, why do I have this? And obviously, you guys are just going to know that you're basically going to be doing this off of water bottles. So, I'm going to take everything else. This is my old one. Okay, so now that you have your bike ready, nothing's on it. Don't worry about these strings; they're just the brakes. So yeah, my seat is tore up. I tore it up today somehow. But anyways, so I got my bike here, as you can see. There's nothing on it. It's just a normal bicycle. Let me give you a sound test right now. See. So it makes no sound, obviously, but if you wanted to make it sound like a dirt bike, you will need 1/2 water bottles, however you want it. I made up the 2 water bottle thing. So I got a normal bottle, right? Let's see. Cut out now. So, once you have your water bottle right here, you're going to take the lid off, and I prefer Aquafina and Dasani. I don't know about Dasani really, but based off of my inferences, I can tell that these have harder bottoms than most of the water bottles you get from like Walmart and stuff, like purified water brands, the Deer Park, all that stuff. It's like not weak, but not as strong as Aquafina and Dasani. So what you're going to do is take the lid off. Dang, that's a beautiful blue jay. Anyways, so you're going to have it off, right? Pour all the water out that's still left in it. You're going to have nothing in it, right? See? Nothing in it. And it's just a normal water bottle without no lid. So you're going to start from the bottom, right? Look. And you're going to do this to where the bottom's the only thing that's flat. And then you're going to start going up. Just crunch it. just all you really got to do is make sure this is flat, like flat. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys down right here. I'm gonna start off at the top of the motorcycle thing, or motorcycle. What am I talking about? Bicycle. So once you have your bicycle or your water bottle ready, if you don't have this, it's basically where see this thing right here, this bar that goes around it, this silver bar that goes around it right here that I'm touching, that thing that goes around it, that's where the water bottle is going to fit. So if you have like really smooth tires, I don't know if this will work very much because I have like these little bumps. I'm pretty sure it works better with mountain bikes. But you're going to do this. You're going to get the tip of it, and you're going to go, wait, no. Yeah, you're going to get the tip of it. No. Yeah, you're going to go, since it's flat, you're going to fold it like this. And then you're going to put it through. And once it's through, unfold the water bottle to make it flat again. And that's just the front. So that's just the front. So when you go straight, oh wait, and make sure it's a little more down. It'll make that kind of sound like when you start up the motorcycle. Listen to it. And if you want to make it louder, just like fold it more right here and fold it like that. I'm just gonna and then for the back, you do the same thing. The back is a little easier. I'm gonna get one of my. And once you do that, it should be good. So let me go ahead and give you a sample. So yeah, guys, that's been the sample. That's what it sounds like. I think it could do a little better, but that's pretty good anyways. So yeah, follow me on Instagram because I do funny videos sometimes. Here's my Instagram right here, and like and comment down below because you know I need that. I just need those likes, comments, and subscribes. And tell me what you want to see next. It's been Ant on Plays with Dragon here. And peace out to the mothers and the brothers and everyone in the whole world.